Good morning. I'm going to go over your agenda for today. So what you're going to be doing today is most of you are done with your SoftMonster and also your Google Slide presentation of the self-evaluation, which is great. If you're done, you're going to be moving forward with the 3D Artist write-up. And this can be found under the link on the Google Classroom stream, and I will walk you through that in a little bit. Okay, so the write-up, what is it? So here's what you're going to do. You're going to pick an artist from the list under Google Classroom. You're going to write who the artist is, where the artist is from, what type of 3D artist it is, and what time period, and also why you chose this artist. And then to wrap it up, you're going to write about 3 pieces of work, and identify and describe why you chose those pieces. And make sure you do it write it on a piece of paper. Don't type it up. I'd rather have you write it up because obviously you retain the information a lot better that way. And go ahead and take a picture of it and upload it for today's assignment. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me.